in the Windjammer. We are in sight of Bermuda. There is a Norwegian cruise ship already in the dockyard. Not sure what their schedule is. It is another beautiful day. Almost no wind. We're close now. There's the dockyard. We're very close now. Some island there, and I bet you if we turn around, the rest of Bermuda's behind us. And there's the rest of Bermuda behind us. Good morning, we're in Bermuda. Running from Allison. There is our ship. There's where we just got off. Right here at the Royal Naval Dockyard. We are about to find a tram, get to the beach. We're on the bus to Horseshoe Bay. You can rent a moped. Look at the pink hotel across the way. Video here. This is just an amazing view of the golf course and the ocean. We are here in Horseshoe Bay. We survived the mini bus ride. Now we're just on our way in. We'll see how this is. It's going to be crowded. Look at those birds. Look how yellow they are. We are going to feel the ocean water here in Bermuda for the first time. The kids are already on their way. Now it looks way more, it looks pinker down here.
It does.
You can actually see the pink in it.
Yeah.
Right at the edge here.
I don't want to get too far out.
Oh, it's cold, isn't it?
Oh, baby.
Look at those rocks. It's actually not, you get used to it. Look at that rock formation out there, just out off the shore. And look how blue the water is before all the waves are churning up the sand. This has got to be one of the most beautiful bodies of water I have ever seen. Look at the houses up there, the buildings up there. Wow. I hope this shows up on the camera. How much pink specks and how much pink sand there is. We've decided at this point to walk to the other end of the beach to see for a cove or just some better swimming area. This is the cove and the area that we really enjoyed. We spent most of our day in this area. Just very calm, not very busy. Perfect for the kids. We walked around the corner to see a different area of the beach, and we saw this different beach altogether. This was very rocky though, so we didn't stay here to keep enjoying it. We are here walking back to our chairs. We were able to rent 2 of them. They did not allow any umbrellas on the beach this day due to the wind. So we had 2 chairs, and we just came back from picking up some lunch and some water because it was just such a hot day, and we've already been at the beach now for a few hours, so we needed something. This also gives a good look at how busy it was. There were 2 cruise ships at the Royal Naval Dockyard, Liberty of the Seas and the Norwegian Gem. What? I don't think so. That's a viewing platform, from my understanding. Alright. Go, remember the rules. Oh, they are jumping. It's at this point that we've noticed a large crowd behind us. Word must have been spreading across the beach about these people cliff jumping, and I can't blame them. Woo! Woo! Well, yeah, I mean, who wants to go to New Jersey when you can come here?
Yeah, as long.
Allison! Put on my sunglasses for a minute and look at the sand right below your feet. It's very pink, isn't it? Let Justin see. After 4 hours, we are now leaving Horseshoe Bay. We're just waiting for everyone to finish getting changed, and then we're going to head to the shuttle. It was a wonderful experience. Kids loved the water. It was very warm, very clear. We even saw a lot of people cliff jumping, so that was cool too.
Oh, a chicken and its chicks.
Oh, it's like a peacock.
Yeah.
And what's over here?
I don't know what it is. You know some stuff you should cuddle.
Bear.
Yeah, it's some kind of bear. That's really cool. So these are our first steps. Our first actual steps into the Royal Naval Dockyard area. It's very windy here, so that is why I am doing this voiceover. We are going to get the ferry. We are going to Hamilton to see what is going on in the capital city of Bermuda. So here we have just a Royal Naval Dockyard statue, and there are some vendors set up for different types of rentals on the right, and on the left in the marina you could see some of the boats to take you on different excursions. The Coral Sea. We have now just boarded the ferry. Again, the wind is really kicking up right now. So we are watching one of the excursion party boats heading out on a nighttime sailing. We are also looking at the very cool paint job on the Norwegian Gem. Ferry. Somebody is holding on for dear life across from me here. We're coming into the Hamilton ferry stop, and right in front of us is the Bermuda sign. All colorful and photogenic.
Oh, look at that.
We're down here on Front Street, just outside the ferry.
Beautiful.
Got whales on it.
Wow, they're pigeon.
This one's got fishies.
You want my phone? Yeah.
Oh, now you sent it to me?
Yeah, okay, show it close if you're sticking. No, that's for you.
It won't be happy though.
Oh, okay.
This is Front Street in Hamilton, Bermuda. Very beautiful. All the different colorful buildings, the different paintings. Even on the restroom up here on the right, it is painted to blend in with the palm trees and the plants and the flowers. We went for a walk here, a couple blocks, just to see what was open, what was available. It is a holiday today in Bermuda. Unfortunately, that meant all of the shops were closed and only the restaurants were open. So we do walk around.
Are we hungry?
We do take it in. But unfortunately, we were not able to do any
Are we
shopping.
hungry? I've heard good things about this pickled onion.
We are Flanagan's Irish Pub. That also looks open for some food. Looks like all. Wait, we're going to Flanagan's, and up we go. So we are here at Flanagan's for dinner, right on the waterfront. It is beautiful.
I'm trying to find
It's beautiful outside.
I was gonna drink some juice in my.
With an old-fashioned, their version of it. We're gonna take a sip here together and see how it is. Oh, that is very smooth. Very smooth. We might just need another taste. Oh yeah. it.
You're the reason, and no one is to blame.
I can't believe I'm breaking the laws of gravity.
But we have a Ukraine flag.
And you can get
So our food came. Justin and I got burgers. I got a bacon burger. This looks absolutely incredible. Allison got a cheese steak. Can you turn that to your plate, honey? Look how good this looks. That looks amazing. Hopefully it tastes as good as that. And Nick got a
Guinness pie.
Guinness pie. There we go. That looks
Thank
incredible.
you.
Food. Very pretty. It looks like a bar called the Front Yard. I get the impression from it that they love cricket. Alright, well, we are here in front of the shops at Butterfield, just admiring the absolute beauty of the woodwork. So we're walking back to the ship. We're gonna go through the Stargate portal, as I call it. That's not what it is. I don't know what it is. So I'll put it on screen here if I find it.
612.
Kids are going swimming. Taking them up there. Nick is staying in the room. Her back is sore. She got like a knot in it or something. Good timing because she is going for a massage tomorrow. But we did eat at Flanagan's Irish Bar and Grill. That was very good down in Hamilton.
Good.
Allison loved it. She had a steak and cheese. We had some burgers.
Check it out, now disagree. I'm lying in the face. That's a Tennessee. That's a Tennessee. Something on my own. I'm making moves as I go. That's a Tennessee. That's a Tennessee. But I keep cruising. Next time won't stop moving.
I'm gonna show you something.
What?
I can do better with the
Hi, Justin. After a lot of time in the pool, it was time to call it a night. The white night party never really got started. We're just heading back to the room now. We'll see you on day 4, which is another day in Bermuda, and we leave Bermuda around dinner time. Remember, always try to be nice, but never fail to be kind.